Hello, Rob Sensei here. In this month's advanced workshop at W.I.S.E, we are going to study about war and specifically the India-Pakistan conflict that's happening at the moment. There have been tensions and conflict between India and Pakistan for many, many years. Like other countries, for example, Israel and Gaza, this conflict often turns on and off depending on when something happens. And recently there was an attack on an Indian base, which caused India to retaliate and fire back against Pakistan. And there was risk of a war. But at the moment, they are agreeing to a ceasefire. They are agreeing to stop the fighting. So for this topic, I'm going to read the text so you can follow and complete for your homework. So here we go. India-Pakistan ceasefire. Pakistan and India have announced a ceasefire amid claims by both sides of violations. The two nuclear-armed neighbours have come close to all-out war in recent weeks. This is because of an attack on a tourist site in India-controlled Kashmir on the 22nd of April, which left 26 civilians dead. India blamed Pakistan for instigating the attack. Pakistan vociferously denied the allegations. Both countries have launched military strikes on each other since the attack. Pakistan said it targeted military sites in India after India fired missiles at air bases in Pakistan's Punjab province on Saturday. This fueled fears that tensions might escalate into a more dangerous regional conflict. The ceasefire is looking somewhat fragile as both sides are accusing each other of violating it. Pakistan's foreign ministry said the country remains committed to a faithful implementation of the ceasefire. A spokesman for India's military denied accusations that India was not adhering to the truce. He said India would retaliate if its territory was attacked. He warned, "We remain fully operationally ready to launch whatever operations may be required in defense of the nation." President Donald Trump announced the ceasefire followed talks mediated by the United States. The US urged both parties to find ways to de-escalate and offered assistance in starting constructive talks. Now, that is the article. There are some difficult points to consider there, so please do your pre-work before coming to the lesson. As always, I would like to focus on discussion and hearing your views of this particular war amongst war itself. So thank you very much. I will see you in class next Thursday. Bye for now.